In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Slides with someone, a helpful guide in our Virtual Learning Help 101 series. Whether you're collaborating with a colleague, sending a presentation to a client, or sharing a project for feedback, Google Slides makes it easy. Let's walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. If you're not already familiar, simply open your web browser and type in Google Slides. This will take you to the home page where all the magic happens. Before we dive in, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, take a moment to sign in, otherwise you won't be able to access or share your presentations. Signing in ensures that all your hard work gets stored securely and allows you access to all of Google's tools. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides home screen. This is your creative workspace where you can start, view, and edit presentations. Now you'll need to decide whether you'd like to start from scratch or use a template. Click on blank presentation if you're ready to create something fresh and unique. If you have something specific in mind or are inspired by a predetermined format, choose select a template to use one of the many available options. Templates can give you a head start with design and layout, saving you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on the content itself. With your presentation open, it's time to share it. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a bright yellow share button. This is your gateway to collaboration. Click on it, and a dialog box will pop up, providing you with options to share your work. You'll have a choice to add specific email addresses of those you'd like to share the presentation with. You can designate whether they'd have view, comment, or edit access, depending on the level of collaboration intended. For a quicker method, you can opt to share a link instead. Under the link sharing section, you'll see the option to copy link. Clicking this will copy the sharing link to your clipboard, which you can then paste into an email, chat window, or any messaging app you prefer. Just make sure to adjust the link permissions appropriately based on your needs. You might want to limit sharing to certain people or open it more broadly. And there you have it. Sharing your Google Slides presentation is straightforward and empowers you to collaborate with ease. Whether working on a team project or simply sending information, these steps ensure your presentation can be accessed by the right people with just a few clicks. Keep practicing and you'll become a pro in no time. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.